Welcome to the exciting and dynamic world of the stock market. Every day, millions of investors around the world buy and sell stocks in the hopes of growing their wealth and achieving their financial goals. The stock market is a complex and fascinating world of finance that can seem intimidating to the uninitiated. But with a little bit of knowledge and understanding, anyone can learn to navigate this exciting arena and potentially reap significant rewards. At its core, the stock market is a marketplace where investors buy and sell shares of publicly traded companies. When you buy a share of stock, you're essentially buying a small piece of ownership in that company. To buy or sell stocks, you'll typically need to use a stockbroker or an online trading platform. These services allow you to place orders to buy or sell shares at the current market price. The prices of stocks are determined by supply and demand. If a lot of investors want to buy a stock, the price will go up. If more investors want to sell a stock, the price will go down. The stock market can be influenced by a variety of factors, including economic data, company earnings reports, geopolitical events, and investor sentiment. There are many different types of stocks, including large cap, mid-cap, and small-cap stocks, as well as growth stocks, value stocks, and dividend stocks. Investing in the stock market can be a great way to potentially grow your wealth over the long term, but it's important to remember that it comes with risks. Stock prices can be volatile and unpredictable, and past performance is not a guarantee of future results. Before investing in the stock market, it's important to do your research and educate yourself on the basics of investing. This can help you make informed decisions and minimize your risks. With the right knowledge and strategy, the stock market can be a powerful tool for building wealth and achieving your financial goals.